So the roads are flooded, the kids are home from school. I picked the perfect day to start a vlog challenge. Let's go.
So it's just something that I did. I want to post a video a day for a week and see where my analytics go from there. Like, hopefully you guys can hold me accountable to do it, and just something different. I want to see what my analytics do. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you guys a picture of my analytics right here. So this is today, and we'll wrap this up at the end of the week, or I guess it'll be Sunday. And we'll see what the analytics look like then. And after that, I may continue it for a month. And if it's working, not working, whatever, we'll make some adjustments and we'll keep going from there. But yeah, so that's the challenge. It's to challenge me to be creative and to post at least one video a day. And then hopefully, my plan is to make sure that the videos that I'm recording, I can also get little shorts out of it and post a bunch of shorts throughout the week as well. So back to the video. Now that the workout's done, I need to check on some client photos that I've been working on and what I need to get out today. This is my creative space. This is where most of my work happens. I run a dual computer system. I've got PC and I've got a Mac. It all depends on what I'm doing. If I'm editing on the go, then the Mac is definitely the way to go. My PC I use for gaming, streaming, that kind of thing. And it's an awesome editing rig too. So let me swing back over here. So checking in on what my clients needed. I needed to export a Lightroom catalog. I edited a bunch of photos for them again. One cool thing about Lightroom that you guys may or may not know, you other photo editors out there, is that you can sync your catalogs across multiple devices. So I've got my MacBook over here, which I use when I'm mobile. I also have my iPad, I've got my phone, and then I've got my PC here too, which is kind of like my main editor when I'm at home. Now, if I'm on the go or sitting in a doctor's office or something like that, and want to work on some photos, well, I'm not going to take my laptop in there with me. Obviously, I can't take my PC. I can take my iPad or my phone with me, and I can actually edit photos on those devices, and it's going to sync back to the original catalogs here. So I'm going to go a little mobile, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing, so you can see it's kind of a mess here. But what you can do with this is it's really, really helpful. So as you can see, I've got my iPad, and then it's my laptop, my PC, and then my phone there. I'm all in the same catalog. This monitor right now is running off my PC. I'm looking at the web version of this catalog. There's me in OBS. And then that is the main catalog that's running off of the MacBook. And what that's doing right now is syncing everything that I did last night. I was working on some of these photos. I wasn't quite in the mode to come up and work on my PC and all that. I wanted to kind of hang out downstairs with all the family. So what I did is I pulled out my iPad. I was doing some editing, and then that got a little cumbersome. So I just pulled out my phone and started editing on my phone. What I like to do, the way that my workflow works with Lightroom, is I like to do my main coloring and my exposure, white balance, get the photo looking exactly the way that it needs to be on the PC. I have my monitors all calibrated for proper colors. I use the Spyder Pro. I calibrate them every month, so everything is true to life. Now I get all that done and I save the album. But when I have a client who wants a certain crop, what I do is I'll do that last. I'll do the cropping of the image last, because that's easy to do on your phone or on your iPad or whatever, and you're not going to get any strange color shifts or anything like that from editing from on your iPad or your phone to editing on the computer or onto a laptop. I try to make sure I do all my coloring and all my exposure and balancing on the same monitor, on the same PC with the same calibration. Makes sense, right? So that's what I had to do with my client. So this crazy mess that you just saw, that's what I'm working on. Now, next up, I got a little 3D design work to do. I got to work on this video, and yeah. All right, so I jumped in here to do this 3D design work, and I actually kind of lucked out. My wife wanted the little viral ghost with the pink bow. I don't know what that is, but I found it already here on MakerWorld, and I brought it into Bambu Studio, and I painted the bow pink because that's what she wanted. But when I sliced the plate, it's telling me it's going to take about 5 hours to make. So I have the acrylic pens that work really, really well on the Ghost here. So I'm going to go back and see just what it would be, just to print it on white and to have a little arts and crafts and color it in myself. So if I want to just do it just in white, let's go ahead and slice it, see what it's going to be. That's only going to be just over an hour. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and print this guy out, and then we'll get out the markers and have a little arts and crafts time. If you got multiple Bambu printers up here, you can click on the printer here and drop down and pick whichever one you want. I had it set on the A1. I wanted the H2S for this little ghost guy. I'm gonna go slice it again, and we'll see what time. 59 minutes 43 seconds. A little bit quicker. We've got it sliced, and we're gonna hit print. We've got the white PLA because it's gonna be a ghost. White plate, time lapse, everything's good. We'll go ahead and send her. And in about an hour, we'll go pull it off the build plate and see what she looks like. All right, well, the printer just stopped. So let's go see what our little ghosty looks like. Here is our little ghosty. Pull those supports off. We'll do a little coloring. Or maybe we'll leave it to the wife to color because she likes doing that kind of stuff. So now we had to leave because we had haircuts, and on the way down, we went down and checked out the water again. This nor'easter has really pulled some of the beach out. It's really eroded. Here's some footage from that. Yeah, there's surfers out there.
Oh, that look over there, it tore up.
Yeah.
It's like sticking that low.
Yes, they are. Chilly out here today. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chilling. I did not know.
Okay. Yep. All right. Well, I'm going back to the truck. It's cold. All right, so that's where I'm going to wrap up today's vlog. I think it went pretty well. Today was a little different. You know, the boys got to stay home. They got to be involved a little bit, and I think we had a good day. So I'm looking forward to day number 2. Thanks for staying with me and watching the vlog, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. You want to say anything?
Make sure you sub.
Make sure you sub. I like it. La, 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 la.